Authentic tomato soup recipe. Cut 6 tomatoes into half. Cut 1 onion. Cut 1 carrot. Switch on your stove and place your pressure cooker. Add half a liter of hot water. Add chopped tomatoes. Add your chopped carrots. Add chopped onions. Take 13 garlic pieces, 1 ginger piece, 4 cardamom pieces, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 bay leaves and 4 cloves and add them to the pressure cooker. Close the pressure cooker with the lid and let it whistle for 6 times. After that, check if your vegetables are very soft and mushy. Take a separate pot and strain your boiled items. Make sure to smash them as the remaining water will also be strained out from the boiled items. After that, place your pot on the stove. Add half spoon of pepper powder. Add half spoon of sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix it around. Keep mixing them around. Let it boil for at least 15 minutes. Add 1 spoon of red chilli powder. Mix. The more you boil the soup, the more it will be creamier and tastier. My mouth is watering just by looking at that tomato soup. Your Your tomato soup is now ready to serve. Add little bit of coriander as it will be more tastier. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.